Ah, redfish, yes, that's what I... Good day, welcome to Flymandan Adventures. Back here on my favorite snook and bass hole. Taking a kayak out today. It's been a while since I took my kayak out. Really enjoy Crescent Light Tackle. Got it all rigged up for fishing. Got a video on all my rigs. I'll post it down below. Anyways, getting out on a weekend, something I don't do very often, and I got the place to myself, which is a beautiful thing. The weather has been iffy lately, so today's the best day of the week to go try it, and tomorrow might not be bad, so I might do a double. So we got it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I know that right before sunset the bass bite goes crazy, so I'm trying to take advantage of that. We'll see what we can put on the line. Maybe even do my snook dance. First bite of the day. Something just whomped it. Something just stomped it. First bite of the day. Almost yanked the rod out of my hand. There we go, there we go, there we go. What is that, little tarpon? Fish on, little snooker. What are you, baby? What are you? Got a snook fin on him. Oh, a little snooky. Little snooky. Where'd you go? Alright. He jumped on it as soon as it hit the water. I didn't even twitch it. Alright, little baby, come on, I'll let you go. We'll get the big boys. Little peanut guy. Still counts as a snook. Again, Zman Micro Chatterbait. The rig I like to use when I'm doing this kind of fishing is a 7-foot medium heavy, medium action spinning rod with a 10-pound fire line, and then I do a section of 16-pound sun line to a 40-pound test shock tippet, and my little Z-Man Micro Chatterbait 1/8 of an ounce with a Z-Man 3-inch slim swims. You want to have a rod that has some tip to it. If you have a too fast of an action rod, which I made that mistake earlier when I was using these little Z-Man chatterbaits. I had a really short, fast rod, and I was literally ripping the lure out of their mouth. My hookup ratio was pretty pathetic. When I switched into a rod that has more of a softer tip, it's a lot like a crankbait rod, my hookup ratio went up a lot. When you're using a chatterbait, it's moving, and when the fish hits it, they're moving, so it's a hard collision. So if you got no give in your rod, you could yank that lure right out of their mouth. That's what I like. Bites. Looks like a gar though. Didn't really hit it. There it is. Not a gar. Fucking. That looked like a tarpon. That looked like a tarpon. Or a giant ladyfish. That was either a tarpon or a giant ladyfish. I haven't hooked one of them in months. There you go, fish on, fish on. Oh yeah, that's a big bass. It's a bass. Come on, get by the camera, come on. Bass. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Oh, that's too much. Jump, 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 jump. All right, nice bass. All right, nice bass on a little Diesel Minnow around the lily pads over there. Looks like a spawned out female though. Good size though. All right, that was fun. Oh, something just whomped it. Something just whomped it. Try it again, try it again, try it again. Come on, try it again. Come on, it's injured. Come back for it. Dang it. Sometimes those hits are gar or smaller snook. They don't have a very big mouth. There we go. There you go. Fish on. Fish on. Snooky on. A little snooky though. All right, all right, all right. That's right. Little snook's a good snook. Little snooky's a good snook. He hit it like he was a monster. He thumped the chatterbait pretty good. One more shake. knew that was coming. All right, come on. All right, little guy, little buck. Where's your big cousins, or your aunts, or your grandmother? Oh well. A little lull in the action for a while, but 2 little snook here and there. Just a nice calm day. It's nice to be out in the water. Oh, I think that was a gar. It's definitely a gar type of hit. There you go, fish on. Fish on. Snook on. Feels like a snook. Feeling like a snook. Oh, it's running to the weeds. It's running to the weeds. It's running to the weeds. Stay away from the weeds. Come on, guy. Show yourself. Ooh, it's got some weight to him. It's got some weight to him. Coming at the boat. Uh-oh, snook dance. That's right, get on this side of the boat. Man, he hasn't shown himself yet. Oh, now he's starting to get onto the boat. Where is he? There he is. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. He has not shown himself yet. Stay on there, baby. Get out of them weeds. Whew. Might have to go get him. Come on, baby, stay buttoned. Come on now. Hopefully I got that 40. Hopefully I got 40-pound leader on there. I think I do. Oh man, he won't move. He has not shown himself. He's still got some spunk. He's got some spunk. Which way you going, buddy? Which way you going? Nah, redfish. Yes, that's what I see. No wonder why. Giant redfish. I haven't caught a redfish here in a long time. I think huge. Oh. Oh, stay on, baby. Holy crap. Oh, that's a bull red. Don't bend out my hook. Whew. That's right, come on this way. Stay away from the boat. Stay away from that boat. So you can just stay down there for all you want. You can stay down there. Whew. This thing has got some power. Wow. All right, now knots and everything stay together. Just gonna let you tire yourself out. Just gonna let you tire yourself out. Whew, can't even lift him off the bottom. Can't even lift him off the bottom. Oh, it's getting a little wind there. Getting some more wind. Man, what a workout. What a workout. Guy is a freaking beast. All right, come on. Come on now. I haven't even hardly seen him that much. He's just staying down on the bottom. I got time. I got time, Gigantor. Caught some big redfish. I've caught some big snook, but holy sh! I don't even want to say how big this redfish is. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Look at that. We're on number 4. Just the power is incredible. He is not giving it in. He is not giving it in. Oh, he's got more in the tank. He's got more in the tank. Oh, man. Fucking giant. Please let me get him in the boat. Please let me get him in the boat. Come on, go this way. Go that way. Let me get him in the boat. When he tires out, he's going to be hard because he's going to be a big thing of dead weight. Go towards the boat. Don't go under the boat. Uh-oh. Under the boat. Under the boat. He's going wherever he wants. He's going wherever he wants. Holy crap. God, he's going to go into that boat. He's going to go into the boat. Come on. Whew. He just won't give up. Whew. He just won't give up. Oh, giant freaking redfish. Look at those spots on them. He's finally showing himself. Just won't give up. Just won't give it up. Just stay away from that pole back there. Stay away from that pole back there. Whew. Only thing that can get me in trouble. He's under the boat. He just won't give up. Here he comes. Look at the spots on that thing. What a horse. What a freaking horse. Come on. Bring your tail around. Bring your tail around. Bring your tail around. Can't reach the tail. Oh my God, look at the size of that thing. Look at the size of that jambalaya. Ooh. I'm pretty sure that is my personal best. Probably 36 inches. Look at that beautiful specimen. Love those spots. Look at that. Jumbo redfish. Z-Man Chatterbait. It's not just for bass. Wow! Oh my God, what a chunk. Measured out at 36-inch redfish with a chatterbait. Oh, he just crunched my finger. Oh. Let's let you go. It'll take a minute to revive this big guy. Whoa, spots. Oh. Revive him for what? Whew, boy, that was a giant redfish. He wore me out. 36-inch, my personal best, I believe. What a head. I mean, it looked like he was 40 inches, but he definitely could stretch some string. Z-Man Chatterbait, of course. What else do you expect from me? There we go. Oh, big hit, big crunch, big hit. Oh, how did I miss that one? Oh my God, that was a stomp and a half. How did I miss that one? Oh, man. Whew. Stuck him. Stomped. Yeah, the hook's pretty good. There we go. That's not a little one. That's not a little one. That's not a little one. Love when those. It's fighting like a redfish again. Oh, it's got Snooky on it. Yeah, it's not as big as I thought he was, but woo-wee. He pounded that thing. He pounded that thing. He must have ran 20 feet to grab that thing. All right, another little guy. Whew, he pounded that thing. Whew. That is definitely the hardest strike I've ever had on a fish that barely weighs 2 pounds. Whew, he freaking thumped it. He was probably more than one fish chasing the bait, so he wanted to make sure he got it first. Oh, oh. Ooh. That was a good snook. Just thumped it right here by the lily pads. Let's try again. Oh my gosh, big fish, big fish. Giant fish. I think I lost him though. I think I lost him. No, he's still on there. Holy crap. He is wrapped in weeds. He's a big bass maybe? Maybe a giant bass? That's what a big bass would do. No, it's a snook. He's just wrapped in 20 pounds of weeds. Holy cow. Thought that thing was a lot bigger than it is. Grab the boat, buddy. Well, it's a decent fish, but he is all wrapped up. He slammed that thing. I don't know, let me get the salad out of his face. There we go. Wow, he's not as big as I thought. These guys got some super energy, I guess. Yeah, I thought he was a giant. He just swam right into like 30 pounds of weeds, and he felt like he was 30 pounds. But still the biggest snook of the day. Running into smaller snook today. I did have a couple bigger bites, but let's go. He's got Diesel Minnow on his mind. Alrighty. Packing it in. Had a pretty good day. Caught possibly my biggest redfish I've ever caught. Caught 4 snook. Not big today. Got 1 nice bass, but had a few. Yeah, you always get a few that get away when it comes to snook fishing. But I'm gonna go try again tomorrow morning. We're gonna see how the morning is. The afternoon bite was kind of slow, but you know, I still picked off some fish. Until we see again.